Okay, you're going to start with your valve body. You want to take your diaphragm, and it's one-sided. You need to have the nipple here facing down into the valve body. You set it in there, it might get a little cockeyed. So you need to just kind of seat her down. Make sure it's sitting kind of flush. Then you'll take your stem, and you'll have your stem spring. That goes inside the stem. Then you have your pin, and the pointed end goes into the diaphragm, seats there. The rounded end goes into the stem onto the spring. Then you just need to set this nicely. Make sure it's in the middle of your diaphragm. Set it down on there. Then you'll take the retainer. You have the 3 holes, they match up. That needs to just go on there. You got to kind of try to hold it still and get your screws down into the valve body through the retainer. Take your screwdriver, Phillips head, next step is you need your bail. That has to go through your float. And once you got your float resting here, you can set this through the retainer, through those holes up here. Then you need your spring. You set your spring on there. And you have your magnet, which will ride on the stem, but you need to set it inside of your magnet cap. And that's can go in either direction. Then there are 2 holes on the side of the cap. Your bail needs to go inside of those holes on either side, but underneath the magnet. I'll show that in a second. Set this on top with the stem going through. Put your retainer. Put them in the holes on both sides. And you can see it's underneath the magnet. When you have your float on there, this will be held down. So you take your cover, you have your screw and your washer. You put the washer on the screw. This just goes down into the hole right on top. And then your cover piece all together can just go and screw onto the stem. Take your flat head and you tighten it up just snug.